Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to lock Telegram chats with passcode on Android or an iPhone. For this tutorial we'll be using iPhone, but in principle the steps are the same. You'll need to go over to settings. On iPhone you're going to tap on the bottom right corner where you can see settings icon right there. And then once you're in your settings you're going to look for privacy and security. You can see privacy and security right here, tap on it. And at the top you can see blocked users and then passcode lock. It's currently turned off, so we're going to tap on it. In order to turn it on, you'll need to create a passcode. So we're going to tap on turn passcode on, and so we're going to provide a 6-digit passcode. Re-enter your password once again. So after providing your 6-digit passcode, this will automatically turn on your passcode for your Telegram chats. You have the option to auto-lock if you're away for over an hour, or you could also change the passcode. Now we're going to go back to our chats. Now here in the chats, you can see at the top of the screen, the chats icon just has a lock beside it. You're going to tap on the icon right there, and you can see Telegram locked. In this way, if we go out of Telegram and come back, you're going to have to see this page where you'll need to provide your 6-digit passcode which you created. So this is how to lock Telegram chats with passcode on Android or an iPhone.